Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking all about nails. So these are my nails right now. This is how I have them. They're rose gold chrome. I love them so much. I get compliments on this daily, like you would not even believe how many compliments every day. People come up to me like, oh my gosh, I love your nails so much. And they're always like, oh, but it's so expensive to get them done. And then they're shocked when I tell them I did this myself for less than $2. I got into doing my own nails, and again, I'm not a pro, I'm not a technician, nail technician, anything like that. This is just me wanting to do this on my own. I'm an avid nail biter. When I was little, I started when I was 4 years old. My dad used to bite his nail and my brother picked up his habit. I started biting my nails too, and now I still do. So last year I was like, I'm sick of biting my nails, and I've tried everything. I just can't stop. And I was like, maybe the only way to stop biting my nails is to have some fake nails on top of it. So then I decided my plan was going to be is that I was going to commit to getting my nails done for like 6 months to a year from the salon, because it's really hard to break through, like biting, it's hard to break through the fake nails. So I was like, this is probably going to be the only way for me to stop biting my nails. So I started doing that. I got my nails done, and then, you know, very soon after, it was becoming a very expensive thing to keep up with. And so I started doing my own nails. There's a few different ways I do it, and maybe I'll make some more videos about other ways that I do my nails. One thing I really enjoyed about doing my own nails is that when one nail fell off or something, I always had glue and another nail to put right back on, because I noticed when you go to the salon and get your nails done, if one falls off, you have to deal with having one ugly nail for the rest of the day or the rest of the week until you can go get your nails done again. And there's no overgrowing in these, so that's the best part about this too. These will not overgrow, and you're not going to see your nails because the nail will grow underneath. And when it is for a long time, my nails actually became naturally this long, this strong, and all by itself, and there was no damage. So I find this way better than salons because there is no damage. So I don't go to a salon anymore. This whole manicure right here probably cost me less than $3 to do, and it lasts just as long as the salon quality. So why would I go to spend $70, $80 and spend an hour at the salon when I can do this myself in 20 to 30 minutes? So I actually found it the most amazing glue ever, which changed my life for my nail life. Okay, this is like really first world problem kind of stuff, but it changed my life with how I do my nails, because now I have these kind of nails for 1 to 2 weeks on end. So with the nails I have right now, so they're rose gold, they're gorgeous and beautiful. I went to a trip to London over the past summer, and I found these nails, these fake nails, at Stork Primark there, and I'm in Canada, so Primark is not here, and I've looked everywhere for these types of nails and I cannot find them anywhere, and they're only $1. So to me, it's just like, oh my gosh, it's just $1 for this whole nail thing to make my nails this beautiful. So again, it's just, I cannot justify going to a nail salon when I can make them this beautiful for under $3 with all the tools and everything else. Primark, you need to get yourself to Canada, please, because I need me some nails. You can honestly do this with any type of fake nails that you buy anywhere, but it's just, again, these are really cheap and really good quality. Some of the really super cheap ones that I've seen at some places, they're just so flimsy, they're not gonna last you. So you have to have at least some type of good quality. This is probably the easiest one that I'm about to show you guys. It's super simple for beginners because you don't have to do a lot of extra steps. Everything's kind of ready for you. So if you'd like to learn how to do this for yourself, please keep watching.
Okay, you're going to need some items. I'm going to tell you what you'll need. So the first thing you need are some nails, some press-on ones that have some color, a nail file. Any file will do. You're going to also need a cuticle cutter remover, and you're going to need an orange wood stick cuticle pusher, and glue. And again, you can use any glue, but this is my absolute favorite. I'll list everything down below. Step 1 will be to match the right size of fake nail to each nail. So this is like the super easiest part. You know, I'm sure you'll all have done this before. If you've ever used fake nail, you just take the nail and you put it on your fingers and see which nail is going to fit, not be too big or not to be too small. So do that for each nail. So when you're done, just keep them to the side, ready to go for the next step. Step 2 2 will be to push the cuticle back. So you're going to take your orange wood stick cuticle pusher, and I got mine from Walmart. These are super cheap and easy to get. You just literally push the cuticle back. You're trying to create a gap between the nail and the cuticle, so then for the next step it's going to be a lot easier to remove. So you can see from the video there that I'm just literally gently pushing back. My cuticles are a bit harder, so I have to push a little farther, but you can see, like, when I take the stick, I'm kind of cleaning out some of the skin, but you can see there's like a gap and a hole kind of created between the skin and the nail. So your cuticles might be softer if you're not a nail biter, and you might not just have to push as hard, but yeah, just push the nail back. So step 3 will be to cut off the excess cuticles with the cuticle cutter. So this is my absolute favorite part. This might be so disgusting for some people, but I don't know, something about this is so therapeutic to me, and I just love doing this. So I kind of slowed down this clip for you guys to see. So from step 2, you would have pushed your cuticles back. They're going to be really easy to trim off, and this doesn't hurt or anything. Like, this is like all dead skin sitting there, so it might look painful, but you cannot feel a thing. But something about cleaning and cutting up my cuticles, I don't know, it feels so good. It almost feels just as good as biting my nails. And you can see this is, again, might be really gross for some people, but the skin is just kind of hanging there, and I don't know, I just love it. It's just so satisfying for me to take that off and snip it away and clean all that dead excess skin off my nails. So do that for each nail. Now step 4 will be to file each nail. So just gently go and brush each nail down, just so then the glue has something to grip onto. You don't want to file, right to your bone or anything. Just a quick little buff just to create some sort of traction for that glue. Step 5 is going to be to put the glue on each nail and attach the fake nails now. So you can use any glue that you want, but again, this is my absolute favorite, this super glue one. And just a warning that this glue is so strong, do not get in your skin. One time it got in my skin and it attached, and I was freaking out and thought I'd have to go to the emergency room because I was so scared, because I could not get my fingers off of each other, and I was scared to pull my skin off. So just be really, really careful. So make sure you just gently add some glue. You just need a tiny amount, and now add the nail to it. And I recommend holding it down for 10 to 15 seconds. It's just going to make it stick a little bit better and last a bit longer. And do that for each nail. There you go, one hand is done, and look how beautiful that looks. So quick and easy and just absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, there you go. So here is the final result on both hands, and to me they're just gorgeous, and I just love them so much. To me they look exactly the same as salon quality, but they're better because you're never going to get overgrowth. You're never going to have one ugly nail falling off and you have to go get it fixed. They're beautiful. They last for just as long as a salon. If you go to a salon regularly, I'd love to hear about your experiences and why you stick to salon down below. If you've ever done your own nails, I'd love to hear how that worked out for you. That was a good or bad thing. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.